the first thing we need to do to set up our environment is, of course, install Python 3. So let's do that now and open up a browser window. And within the browser window, I'm going to simply go to python.org. And within the Python official site, I'm going to go to the download section, and I can simply see that downloads for Python for Windows is displayed to me right next to the page. And I'm interested in the version 3, not the 2 version. So I'm going to click on the 3.6.5 and the downloader is started. And here we go. Our Python downloading is complete. So let's just run our installer right now. And let's just customize the installation. I want the, of course, documentation, pip, and I simply just keeping everything about Python just to get every benefit for Python. And I'm just going to go back and I'm going to add Python to path for 3.6. This is really important because otherwise you won't have to be accessing the Python from anywhere in your file system. You can simply type Python within your command line and you can just start using it. Otherwise, you have to manually do that after the installation. So I'm going to hit on install now and I'll select yes, and Python is being installed on my computer for Windows. It's almost complete. And here we go. Our Python installation is ready for Windows. Let's just go and test it out if we have it. And to do that, I'm going to open up a command prompt. I'll type cmd, and from there, I'm simply going to type in Python. And as you can see, I can see the Python 3.6.5 on my Windows machine. And I have the little nice interpreter for Python I can start playing around with. So our Python installation is ready for Windows. And we of course have the pip package manager ready.